Good morning. So we are continuing the lesson planning and sports. Today we will discuss about the fixture of knockout fixture of 13 teams. In previous video we have discussed about the 12 number of teams, how to make the fixture by knockout method. Today we are taking the number of team 13. So now a knockout fixture of 13 teams. This is odd number. So number of teams is equal to 13. Total number of matches n minus 1, 13 minus 1, so 12 matches. Number of teams in upper half, the same formula will be there, n plus 1 upon 2. So 13 plus 1 upon 2, 7 teams in upper half. Number of teams in lower half, it is n minus 1 upon 2 equal to 13 minus 1 upon 2, 6 teams in lower half. Here we should always remember that in knockout tournament, whenever we are making two halves of quarters, every time the lower half always had either equal number of teams, lower and upper half, or lower half have always less number of team and more byes. In case of the odd number of teams and odd number of byes, we should remember then lower half is getting one more bye and one less team always. So that's why the lower half is also known as the beneficiary half, because it has less number of teams, one team is less always in case of odd number, and in case of odd byes, lower half always get one more bye, means more byes, less number of team goes to lower half. So number of teams in lower half n minus 1 upon 2, so 6 teams are there. So byes we will calculate to the power x minus n or to the power n minus n. So to the power 2, 4, to the power 3, 8, to the power 4, 16. So where x is equal to 4, so 16 is just greater than the number of teams, so then we will take 16. 16 minus 13 to the power 4 we have taken, it is 16, so to the power n minus n means 16 minus 13 equal to 3 byes. So number of byes in upper half, now total number of byes we have 3. So NB is total number of byes. So total number of byes minus 1 upon 2 equal to 3 minus 1 upon 2. So 1 byes one by will go to the upper half. So number of byes in lower half, NB plus 1 upon 2 equal to 3 plus 1 upon 2, 2 byes will go to lower half. As we were discussing, lower half always gets more byes in case of odd number of byes. Total number of rounds, so always the number of rounds is to the power n, whatever the small n or x, that is to the power, that is the number of rounds. So the number of rounds is 4. Then we will see how to make fixer. So example is there to make the fixer of 13 teams. So number of team 13, number of matches we have calculated 12, upper half 7 teams, lower half 6 teams. Number of byes to the power 4 minus 13, so equal to 3 byes. Number of rounds equal to 4, because to the power 4. So the fixer, see there, we will write the number of teams all same way. All number of teams we have written, total number of team 13, so we have written 13 teams here. This is the number we are writing. So when we are making fixer, we can write the name of the team also. So number we have written here 13 teams. So upper half, now we will make two halves. So upper half 7 teams. So after 7 we will put a straight line. This should be long line. This because upper half and lower half team will meet only at the final, not before it. So that's why this line is long line. Now the first work is, that is, we will distribute byes. So there are 3 byes. So first bye always go to the first team of bottom team of lower half. First bye goes to the bottom team of lower half. So this is written here, first bye. Second bye goes to the top team of upper half. Third bye goes to the first team of lower half. So this is the distribution of byes we have discussed. So 3 byes we have distributed here, only 3 byes are there. Now we will make the matches of the teams not getting bye here, because the team who are getting bye, so they will directly qualify for the second round matches. They will not play the first round of matches. So rest of team will play the first round of matches. So 2 versus 3 first match is here. 4 versus 2 versus 3 is first match. 4 versus 5 is second match. 6 versus 7 is third match. And 9 versus 10 is fourth match. And 11 versus 12 will be fifth match. It is written here 5. So first round matches are over. Then second round we will go. The second round, the winner of 2 and 3 will play with the team who is getting bye in the first round, first team. So the winner of 2 versus 3 will play with the number 1 teams. So 6th match is here. 7th match is winner of 4 versus 5 and winner of 6 versus 7 will play 7th match. And then 8th match will be played between winner of 9 and 10 and 8th, because this team got bye in the first round. 8th match is there. So 9th match will be played. The winner of 11 versus 12 and 13 number of team. So 9 matches are there. Then the winner of match 6 and match 7 will play in match number 10. The winner of match number 8 and 9 will play in the match number 11. And then final there will be winner of match number 10 and match number 11 will play in the final match, that is match number 12. So total number of matches are 12 here. So this way the fixture is made. This is fixture for the odd number of team. Even number of team we have seen before that in previous video I have discussed. This was the 12 number of team where the number of matches were 11. So 4 byes we have given. So this way the fixture is made. So example 2 we have seen here. Now I am telling you some tricks how to make the fixture. So first of all, divide total number of teams in 2 halves. Clear? Divide total number of teams in 2 halves with either equal number of teams. If there is even number of teams, so equal number of teams will be there, lower half and upper half. If even number of team, or one more team in upper half in case of odd number of team. So odd number team, then we cannot divide equally. So then one more team will go to the upper half. That formula is also there. So then the easiest trick I am telling you. So one more team will be there in upper half always in case of odd number of team. Then if we are making quarters, because sometime we are making 4 halves. So like 16 teams are there, 4 we will divide in 4 quarters. So then the same way we will do, we will make 2 halves. Then again we will divide each half into 2 more halves following the above methods to divide the teams in quarter. So in case of odd number of teams, so then same formula will be applied. In upper half always there will be one more team. Number of teams in each quarter, like number of teams 28. So first quarter 17, second quarter 17, third quarter 17, fourth quarter 17, because it's even number. Odd number of team, look at here, first quarter 7 plus 1 team, second quarter 17, third quarter 17, and fourth quarter 7 teams. 30 teams. So this is the formula we apply, because 30 teams like there. So we are dividing first, two halves we are making, 15, 15. So there is no problem. In case of 31 number, we can see we are dividing the two halves we are making first. So one half there will be 16 teams, and one half there will be 15 teams. So upper half always larger number of teams. So 16 teams upper half, 15 teams lower half. Again we are dividing these two halves in again further two halves. So upper half we are dividing 16 teams. So 8 team and 8 team. Lower half 8 team, upper half 8 team. Lower half we have 15 teams. So upper half will go 8 teams, lower half will go 7 teams. So the formula will be applied to all the numbers whenever we are making the quarters. So if the number of teams are more, teams are divided into the quarters. Procedure is explained in the previous slide also, and I have discussed in this slide also. So this is the about the making the fixers. So fixers, as much as we can practice making the fixers, so we will be expert of making fixers. Now we'll come to the seeding a team, because in case of the question is there sometime, make a knockout fixer of certain number of teams by giving by and seeding the teams. So seeding a team means the sorting of teams and fitting them in the fixer so that the stronger team do not meet each other in earlier rounds is known as seeding. So this method is good if we know the real strong teams. The organizers should find out the real strong teams. This is depends on the organizers. So they will find out the strong teams or the previous champion teams from the previous tournament or old record figures before starting the new tournament. So seeding method. Strong teams based on their previous performance are selected to keep the appropriate place in the fixer. So that's why definition of the seeding is putting the good teams on the beneficiary places into the fixer. Generally the seeded teams are in the power of 2, 4, 8 or 16. First seed is kept on the top of upper half. Second team is kept on the bottom of lower half. Third seed is kept on the bottom of upper half. Fourth seed is kept on the lower half, top of the lower half, as so on. Remaining teams are kept in the fixer by lot. So as we are giving the byes, so same way we are placing the good teams on fixer, beneficiary places on the fixer, because beneficiary places are there where we give byes, where we initially give the byes. So first seed, sometime the first seed is kept here if there are two byes, or if there is one bye, the first seed we can put at the bottom. If there are two byes, so first seed we can put at the top or at the bottom anywhere, like in this one. 4 byes are there. If there is the byes are more than one, so we can put first seed at the top or at the bottom. But in case there is only one bye, the first seed is always, first seeded team will be the bottom team, because we give first bye at the bottom. So number of teams 13, we can see again here. Number of matches 13 minus 1 12. So upper half 13 plus 1, the teams we know how we divide upon 2, 7 teams, and lower half will be 6 teams. Number of byes we will calculate to the power n minus n. So to the power 4 minus n 13, so 3 byes will be there. Number of rounds will be 4. Seeded teams are 4. So number of byes seeded teams are 4 here, because in this I am telling you about how we seed the team, seeding process. So 3 byes are there, but number of seeded teams are 4. No problem, because 3 seeded teams are getting bye here. We do not have 4th bye, that's why we cannot give bye to the 4th seeded team. So first one, we are writing the numbers, all the numbers of the team, then divide teams in 2 halves according to the formula. Upper half always, one team is more in case of odd number, so 7 teams are there, lower half 6 teams. Then first seeded team we have put at the top, second seeded team we have written here, second seed bottom, third seed is the first team of lower half, and fourth seed is bottom team of upper half. So this way we have written the seed, how where the team are seeded. These are the strong teams. Now we will distribute the byes. So first bye will go always to the bottom team, so that's why this is go to second seeded team. Then second bye will go to the topmost team of upper half. Third bye will go to the first team of lower half. So 3 byes are over. So now we will make the fixer, the matches. So the teams who are getting bye will not play in the first round of match. So then rest of team will play the first round of match. First match is 2 versus 3. Second match is 4 versus 5. And third match is 6 versus 7. That is 4th seeded team, because this team did not receive any bye. So then 4th match will be 9 versus 10, because 8 is getting bye. And then 5th match will be 11 versus 12. Then again second round we will see the winner of 2 and first match, and it will play against the first team, the seeded team. It is getting bye. Then winner of second match and winner of third match will play the 7th number of match. Winner of 4th match and the 8th number team, this is third seeded team, got bye here, will play in the 8th number of match. And then winner of 5th number of match will play with the 13th number of team who got bye in the first round, that is the 9th match. Then winner of 6th match and winner of 7th match will play in the match number 10. Winner of 8th match and winner of 9th match will play in the match number 11. Then winner of match number 10 and winner of match number 11 will play the final match. Your fixer will be right when you will see that in the final upper half and lower half teams are meeting. Before that, no upper half team will play with the lower half team. In case of only the final match, both the halves are meeting together. This way we can understand that we have made the right fixture. Then we have another term, that is special seeding. So special seeding, this type of seeding is the seeded teams directly qualify for the semi-final or quarter-final without playing initial rounds of matches. In the previous one we have seen, in seeding the teams are getting bye and they are not playing the first round of matches. In case of special seeding will be same, but the seeded team will not play the matches of initial rounds and they will directly qualify for the semi-final or quarter-final. So this is known as special seeding. Special seeding always only done for 2 teams or 4 teams, and in this case when we are doing special seeding, so there will be no buys will be given, no buys will be calculated, only the special seeded team will get buys, because that's why they are being qualified for the semi-final or quarter-final. So in this we will see the teams are qualified for the quarter-final. This fixture is of 20 teams, and we have done special seeding of 4 teams. So first seeded team we have put at the top, second seeded team we have put at the first seeded team, second seeded team, third seeded and fourth seeded. The place is there. First seeded team we are putting either the first number top, either the bottom of the lower half. So anywhere we can count. Bottom half we have put the first seeded team, lower half bottom team. Second seeded team we have put at the top team of upper half. Third seeded team we have put the first team of lower half, and fourth seeded team we have put the lower bottom team of upper half. So this way the fourth place we have done special seeding. They are directly qualified for the quarter final. So now rest of the teams will play their matches. 2 versus 3 first match, 4 versus 5 second match, 6 versus 7 another match, 8 versus 9 another match. Fourth match is there. Fifth match is 12 versus 13. Sixth match is 14 versus 15. Seventh match is 16 versus 17. Eighth match is 18 versus 19. Then winner of 2 and 3 will play, and 4 and 5 will play in this match, 9th number of match, and winner of third match and winner of fourth match will play in the 10th number of match, 9th number of match, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is 10th number of match, and winner of 5th number and 6th number team will play in the 11th number of match. Winner of 7th and 8th number of match, 7th match and 8th match will play in the 12th number of match. Then winner of 9th match and the seeded team will play in the quarter final, first quarter final. Winner of 10th match, 9th match, and the first team, that was seeded team, so will play here in the 13th number of match. And then winner of 10th match and the seeded team, 10 number team, will play in the 14th number of match. And then winner of 11th match and the seeded team will play here in the 15th number of match. And then winner of this 12th number of match and the seeded team, directly seeded for quarter final, will play the 16th number of match. Then we have the winner of first quarter final, second quarter final will play the 17th number of match, and winner of third quarter final and fourth quarter final will play the 18th number of match. Then there will be final where the upper half and lower half teams are meeting. Winners of upper half and lower half is coming here and they are meeting together. That will be final. So that will be 19th number of match. So then teams are 20. So match will be 19 and minus 1. So this way the special seeding is done. So now we will see the procedure of fixture in league tournament. So league tournaments are the tournaments where each and every team play against another each and every team. So that is league match. So there are three type of fixtures are there: cyclic method, staircase method and tabular method. So we will discuss about these. So first is cyclic method. Cyclic method, the number of teams in is even. In cyclic method, if the number of team is even, so team 1 is fixed on the top of the right hand side, in this we make the fixer in this way. Cyclic, the cycle way they are rotating. The teams rotate in a cycle, so we have written the numbers from right hand side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In upper air, first one we can see, we are writing the number of teams in this way 1, 2, 3, then left hand side 4, 5, 6. This depends on the number of teams. If there are 10 number of teams, so there will be one side 5 teams, another side 5 teams. This is number of teams are 6, so one side 3 teams and then another side rest of 3 teams. So we are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and they will rotate in clockwise direction. So that we are discussing there. So we will see if the number of teams is even, 6 number of teams. So team 1 is fixed on the top of the right hand side. Remember, I will tell you when I will show you the fixer. Team are rotated in clockwise direction. Number of rounds will be n minus 1. In case of even number of teams, the number of rounds will be n minus 1. And number of matches in league tournament is calculated by the formula n minus 1 upon 2, where n is the number of team. So the formulas we have to remember. Then we will see if the number of teams are odd. So odd number we cannot make pair of the teams. So that's why for one place where the number is missing, so we will put by there. By is fixed on the top of the right hand side. In case of even number, we were fixing the first team is fixed at the top of the right hand side, but in case of odd number, by is fixed at the on the top of the right hand side. Teams are rotated in clockwise direction, it is same. Number of rounds, formula for the number of rounds will be n now. In case of odd number, the rounds will be n. Number of matches will be calculated by the same formula n minus 1 upon 2, where the number n equal to number of the teams. Now we will see the fixer. Then first one we will see the n equal to 6, means number of teams are 6. So even number. So number of rounds will be n minus 1. So number of rounds will be 5. And number of matches we will calculate by the formula n minus 1 upon 2. So the number of matches will be 15. N is 6. So n minus 1 equal to 5. So 6 5 are 30 divided by 2 equal to 15 matches. So now first round matches we will write this way. First round. So we will write 6 number of teams. So we will make pair. So 1, 2, 3 we will write here. Then we will write 4, 5, 6 this way. First number we have seen, first round match. First round, how we will write the number of team? Number of teams we will write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 this way. And then second round we will come. The number now rotate. One will remain fixed on the first position. One will not be shifted. It will not rotate. The first team will fix at the first position. Then we can see the clockwise rotation is there. So the 6 is replacing the 5. So 5 were there. So 6 went instead of 6 is coming. No, 6 is coming in place of 2. 2 is shifted forward. Clockwise rotation it is. So 6 is coming in place of 2. So now the number will be there 1, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest of number will be same. One place clockwise rotation. Only one place clockwise rotation. Then third round we will see. So the clockwise rotation. So now 5 is there at the top. So 5 will replace the 6. So 5 is coming in place of 6. So 1, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4. Rest of team will only shift. They will not replaced. Then fourth round we will see. Then there is in third round we can see 4 is at the top at the left side. So 4 will come instead of 5. So it is replacing 5. 5 will go down and 4 will come here. So 1, 4, 5, 6, 2, 3. Then again, fourth round, we have 3 at the top, at the left side. So 3 will shift this 4. So then fifth round we will see 3 is coming instead of 4. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2. So now 5 rounds are there. Again, if we are again rotating, 2 will shift to the 3. So that will come in the same first round. It will become like a first round. So this is already there. So there are only 5 rounds are there that we have calculated by the formula n minus 1. In case of even number of team in cyclic method, so there are only n minus 1 rounds will be there. So this way. Now the matches are there. How the matches? First round matches. 6 versus first round match we will see. 6 will play with the 1. So first match is 6 versus 1. Second match is 5 versus 2. Third match is 4 versus 3. These are the matches of first round. So 3 matches are in 1 round. And the second round we can see 5 versus 1, 4 versus 6, 3 versus 2. These are this way the matches will be there. So each round there are 3 matches. Total rounds are 5. So number of matches are 15. This way also we can cross check. In case of odd number, now we can see how we are making the fixer of cyclic fixer of the league fixer of cyclic method. If the number of teams are 5, so odd number, we know the number of rounds is equal to n. So number of rounds will be 5. So number of matches we will calculate n minus 1 upon 2. So it means n is 5, n minus 1 equal to 4. 5 4 are 20 divided by 2. So 10 number of matches. So number of matches will be calculated by the formula we have discussed in the previous slide. So n minus 1 upon 2, that is the formula for all league matches. So now we can make the fixer. In case of odd number, we cannot make pairs, complete pairs. So that's why we are adding by at the first position, at the right side. So by will be fixed at the first position of the right hand side, on the top at the right hand side. So that's why we have written first number by. Then we will write 1, 2. So including by, now we have 6 number. So that's why we can make pair, 3 pairs. So that's why by 1, 2 and then 3, 4, 5. We can see here, this is first round. Then second round we will see, again the clockwise rotation will be there. The first, we can see first round, 5 is at the top. So 5 will replace the 1. Not the by. By will remain fixed at the first position. So by 5 will remain replace the 1. Getting? So it will shifting the 1. So 5 has shifted 1. So then by 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second round. Third round, the by will fix there. So in second round, 4 was at the top on the left side. So 4 will replace 5. So that's why this is 4 by 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. This is third round. Then again, 1 place will be shifted clockwise. So that's why 3 will shift 4. So then 3 is coming instead of 4 and 4 is shifted. So the fourth round we can see by 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So then fifth round we will see here. So fourth round 2 was at the left side at the top. So 2 will replace 3 on the right side. So then the 2 is coming instead of 3. 3 is shifted. So fifth round we can see by 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So if again we can shift, if 1 is shifting 2, so then the first one will come, first position will come. So this is already we have. So there are 5 rounds only. So now the matches we will see, the number where the by is there in front of the team. So that match will be not played because the team is getting by here. Only 2 matches will be there. So first round matches we will see 4 versus 1 and 3 versus 2. Clear? First round matches are there, 4 versus 1 and 3 versus 2. The bye, where the bye is written, this match will not be played because bye is nothing. This is only we have put for making the fixer. This is not any team. So that's why there will be no match. So 4 versus 1 and 3 versus 2. 2 matches are there in first round. 2 matches will be in second round. 3 versus 5, 2 versus 1. In the same way, third round, 2 versus 4, 1 versus 5. Fourth round, 1 versus 3, 3 versus 5. And fifth round matches are there, 5 versus 2, 4 versus 3. So this way, each round there are 2 matches. So there are 5 rounds. Total number of matches are 10. This way we have cross-checked also. So the special thing here, note, we must remember all the teams will rotate clockwise in cycle. And if the number of teams is even, the team number 1 will remain fixed at the first position, rest of the team will rotate. Clear? This we have to remember. And if the number of teams is odd, the bye will be given and fixed at the first position, rest of teams will rotate. This way we can make the fixer of cyclic method. So cyclic method, I think it is clear. Staircase method we will see then. Staircase method. Staircase method, the fixer are made just like a ladder or a staircase. In this method, no bye is given to any team and there is no problem of even and odd number of teams. So number of rounds always in the staircase method will be n minus 1. N minus 1. Number of rounds will be n minus 1. And we can make fixer. So if there are, this number of team is 7, n equal to 7 it is. So then we can see the fixer how we can make. Staircase method fixer how can we can make. This is n equal to 7 number of team. So rounds will be 6, n minus 1. So what we are doing here, we are writing the first number of team only 1 6 times because 6 rounds are there. So 6 times we will write 1 and after that, so we will write the next number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last number should come there, the number of team. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then the first round of matches will be there, 1 versus 2, 1 versus 3, 1 versus 4, 1 versus 5, 1 versus 6, 1 versus 7. So this way the number of matches will be there. So second then round we will leave the first column and then from second column we will write, first we have written 6 times 1 we have written, then now we will write 2 5 times because the last column is there 5, fifth number. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 5 times we are writing here. So then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again in front we will write. After 2 what comes? 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then next column we will write 3, 3, 3. Only there are 4 places. So 4 places we are writing 3, 3, 3. Then after the 3 what comes? 4. So we will start by the 4, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then next column we will have 3 places. So 4, 4, 4 we will write here because previous column we have written 3, 3, 3. Now the next number of after the 4 is 5. So we will write in front of 4 we will write 5, 5, 6, 7. The next column we will write 2 places are left. So 5, 5 we will write because previous column we have written 4, 4, 4 at left side. So then next number of after the 5 is 6. So after the 5 we will write 6 then 7. So the next last column we have only 1 places left. Previous column we have written 5 on the left side. So now we will write 6 on this column. So then next number of the 6 is 7. So this way the stair ladder is made. So the matches are played. First match round there are the 6 matches are there. Second round there are 5 matches are there. Third round there are 4 matches are there. Fourth round there are 3 matches. Fifth round there are 2 matches. 6th round there is only 1 match. So this way the ladder is there, staircase. Now we can understand how we can make the staircase method. Number of fixed teams, whatever it is there, it is odd number of team or even number of total number of team, no problem. Number of rounds will be always n minus 1. So the number of round, as much as the number of rounds are there, so that time we will write the first number of team. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 6 times we have written because number of rounds are 6. Then we can understand the automatically this fixer will be made. So this is about the staircase method. Now we will have the tabular method also. Tabular method, in this we make the boxes and the columns. So this is no more in the syllabus of the class 12. After that some sort of I am defining it here. So the staircase we make a square box. So if the number of teams are there, we have 5 number of teams. So in case of odd number of teams, so we make n plus 2 boxes. How many boxes we make? If we have number of teams are 5, so this is for n, number of team is 6. Okay, this is number of team is 6. Then we have this is number of team is 6 and mentioned by the A, B, C, D, E, F. Clear? So number of team is 6. So we make, in case of even number of teams, we make plus 1 box, n plus 1 box. Square box will be there. So horizontally and vertically we can see A, B, C, D. We have written the alphabetically we have written the name of teams A, B, C, D, E, F. 6 teams are there. So we are making 1 more box both the sides. So this way we have 7 boxes are there. And from downwards we can see A, B, C, D, E, F. So we have 1 more boxes there. So 7 boxes are there. And we cut this square box, the cube box from the middle. This line we can see, blue line, the half we have made. So now we start writing the numbers from the box. The box who is not cut, without cutting the box, that box is not cut here. So that we are writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last number is 5. So then second row we can see after the 2, 3 will come. So that this box is free because the previous box is cut. So we are writing here 3, 4, 5 and 5 is the last number because number of rounds are 5, n minus 1. In case of even number of teams, n minus 1 rounds will be there. So 5 is last. So we are writing the 5 number. After the 5, the last column, the previous number of the first number we have put will come. So 3 is there. So first number is 3 in this row. So 2 will come at the last column. Then after that, the next row we can see we are writing after the 4, 5 we are writing here 5 and 1. So 5 is the first number. So last column before the previous number of the first number will come. So the previous number of the first number is 4. 5 is here, so 4 will come. Then again 1 is here, so after then 1, 2 we will write. So before the 2 is 1 will come here in the last column. Then after that, this last column we write the previous number of the next number of the previous first column. So 3 is there, 2 is there, so then 3 is coming here. Now matches, first round matches, wherever the 1 is coming. So 1, where is the 1? The common box 1 is the common box of A versus B. From left side and from top side we will see. Left side A is here. This column is common column of A and B from top side. So first match is A versus B, first round match. And then 1 is coming here. Then we can see this is C versus E, because this column of 1 is common column for C and E. Then again 1 is coming here at the last. This is common column for D and F. So third match is D versus F. So wherever the number, like second round matches, wherever 2 is coming, this box is common for A and C. So that's why the first match is A versus C. Second 2 is coming here. This 2 is common for D and E. So second match is D versus E. Third 2 is coming here. So this 2 is common for A, B column from the left side and F column from the top side. So this is match will be B versus F. So this way we will find the number of matches, which matches will be played. In case of odd number of teams, in this fixer tabular method, we make n plus 2 boxes, in which the last column matches, last column we put by here. See here, in the odd number of teams, 2 boxes extra we are making, both side, from downwards and from horizontally, and then left to right and top to bottom. We have 7 columns, 7 boxes, n plus 2 boxes are there in case of odd number. And again same way we write the alphabetically, the number of teams are 5. So this is by mistake, it is written here number of team is 6. This is number of team is 5. So number of rounds are only, in this case number of rounds always n. In case of odd number of team, number of rounds is n number of team. So now we will see 5 team we have written A, B, C, D, E. So number of rounds will be 5, number of teams will be 5. So in this case, again same way we will write. Last column we will write the previous number of the first one number we have put written in the row. So first row we can see we have written 1 here, so 1, that 5 is coming. So then second row we have written 3 here, so 2 will come. Then third row we can see we have written 5, so 4 will come. Fourth row we have written 2 in the first column, so 1 will come. And then after that 3 will come here before the previous first number, next number will come. So this is the way. So again we can see wherever 1 is coming, the common column for the 1 A and B is 1. So wherever 1 is coming, these will be first round matches, A versus B, and another one is coming here, C versus E. In this case we cannot we do not calculate the column of byes. So this is D versus by, so there will be no match. So 2 matches will be there in each round. So there are 5 rounds, total number of matches will be 10. So this is the odd number in case of the tabular method. So then we will come with the next topic in the next video.